Imagine this. You're scrolling online and suddenly you see ads for Soluretinol, a skincare product that promises smoother skin, fewer fine lines, and that retinol glow without the irritation. The branding looks clean, the before and afters look convincing, and the claims sound like the perfect anti-aging shortcut. But here's the catch. There aren't many independent reviews available yet. Trustpilot, Reddit, and major skincare forums barely have verified feedback. Most of the positive results you'll see come straight from Soluretinol's own website or marketing materials. That doesn't automatically make it fake. It just means you can't fully confirm how real those results are. The formula itself seems typical for modern retinol alternatives: peptides, botanical extracts, moisturizing bases, and a gentler form of retinoid. These can help with texture and dullness, but don't expect dramatic changes unless you use it consistently for weeks or months. So overall, Soluretinol doesn't look like a scam. It's a real product with a thoughtful formula. But the lack of third-party reviews means you're taking a bit of a gamble if your skin is sensitive or you're new to retinol. It might be a gentle option. Just keep expectations realistic. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest skincare reviews.